First day of travelling's going well.
I've fallen over 3 times.
Breaking it back.
Trying to get the bag.
Hey guys, welcome to our Cairns vlog. We're on holiday. We're at the pub tour. John, what have you ordered?
Chicken tacos.
And what are you most looking forward to in Cairns?
Gold's Gym?
Gold's Gym.
Fitzroy Island.
Gold's Gym is like a bodybuilder gym that John's gonna go to because John's a bodybuilder.
I'm not. It's just famous. That was really rude.
I'm zooming in on your muscles.
I'm excited for Fitzroy Island most.
Kira, what
I
you...
think the same. Fitzroy Island.
And what's your opinions on the airport?
Smallest thing I've seen ever.
Shut up! About to board. We've just arrived at the hotel. I'll give it a... Oh, there they are.
Also, a map is located next to the safe on the wall to help you guide you to where you are. Please sign the register.
I know that you think I'm off today, but I really
Oh, come on, John!
Oh, right.
again.
The grind never stops.
I need a better position.
Hey guys, welcome to our room tour. For some reason, both John and... Well, I told John to do push-ups because I did 7 today, and he said he can do 50. I'm not convinced. Kira's planking.
It's not personal choice. This is to help my back.
No, we're just a really fitness-oriented group. Pan to the pizzas. Just eat it. Yeah, so that was very good, John. But Kira's still going.
You're making me laugh.
Ding, 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 ding. So you think I'm funny? Yeah. Room tour.
What did you do, John?
She's still going.
7.
27.
I was like, I've been planking longer than 7 push-ups.
This is not Kira. This is not Kira.
I can't
That's not Kira's real push-up. That's Kira making fun of John for his fake push-ups.
I went way further.
Well, in your mind, you went.
Getting fish and chips. Good morning, guys. It's our first official day in Cairns, and me and Kira have come to a little breakfast place. I hope John vlogs, maybe he won't, I can't remember, maybe I'll message him. He's going to a gym for some reason. We're at a lovely breakfast place. I'll show you the view. It's a sea view, but I'm pretty sure we're not allowed in the sea because there's alligators. Got some fruit pots. Guys. And Kira, do you want yourself a drink?
I got a watermelon, maybe pineapple, orange juice.
Christine, we wish you were here. Look at all these pelicans. You'd be telling us so many facts right now. How do I zoom in? Here we go. We've come for an Indian. John, what food did you get?
I got butter chicken.
And me and Kira got chicken salad.
What gibbets do you want?
Oh yeah. Koala! Where's the laboon? Good morning, guys. It's officially like day 2 of the 4 days of a holiday, kind of day 3. We're a drink. We're walking, me and Kira. Because John's actually at the gym today. Because when he went yesterday, it was shut because it was Sunday. So yeah. And then we're going to botanical gardens. Then we're seeing Stella, and then dinner and swim, dinner, or something like that. And booking activities. We are in the botanical gardens, and it's very pretty. A bit humid. I'll show you around. There's like little plants. in the plant. Look at this.
Like,
Wet. Maybe you can see the spider. Am I on the right leaf? Yeah. Scary. Oh, John's gone. We're heading off. He's at one with nature.
Why is everything here mutated? Look at that. It's a turkey with an orange neck. He doesn't even care. Hello. Sorry, bud. Oh.
Do your best turkey impression.
I don't want to shake my head.
It's nasty.
That's a nasty spider.
Oh yeah, which one?
And someone was leaving,
Oh yeah, that was the most recent one.
and then you guys were packing.
Yeah. We're on a boat. 264 Island. This is Stella's here, guys. You haven't even seen Stella. I didn't take my phone yesterday. Stella's back and ready for action. This is Fitzroy Island. I'm vlogging because I feel happy that we're here. Me and John both took medication because we both did well.
We did well.
We did well. We feel great. I mean, I kind of just sat there like this, hoping for the best the whole time, and it was fine. But we were told that it would be fine, and we took medications, and now we're gonna go snorkeling in the Great Barrier.
We're tired though.
Well,
We
they're
sound-
drowsy medications. So.
Drowsy meds, bro.
Caffeine makes us anxious. We're set. Got our outfits. Snorkeling. We've got our full body stinger suits on. We got full body so we don't get stung by jellyfish. And our snorkeling gear. The view is insane. Camera's looking good.
Action.
Photo, yeah.
Video.
Hey guys. What's the plan? It's Wednesday. We're at a little cafe. Everyone's sweating. Like John and Stella both just dabbed sweat off their face, but it's cute and it's summery. And then we're gonna go swim. That's my food. John got the same. What did you get, Kira?
I got chocolate covered strawberries.
And I've got tiramisu waffle coming soon. On a scenic train. It's very scenic. Oh, this might be scenic. It's hot. Not my fan. Kara chases cane. Yeah. Sweaty.
You may also see the Barron River as it meanders its way into the Coral Sea through the patchwork of cane fields. Although built to service the mining townships, this railway soon became more popular with sightseers and holidaymakers.
my Cairns Trip. We're allowed off for 10 minutes to see the gorge. These are the gorges. We're in like a wildlife park in Corunda, and we're gonna go see some koalas. And Kira and John are gonna get pictures. But there's alligators, crocodiles. I mean, there's crocodiles. Yep. Oh, there's another one. Wait, how do I? Oh my gosh, there's loads. Oh wow.
I've got your brother.
John got a.
I got his brother.
The entry, I'm holding a snake.
What bargain?
Yeah.
I paid £11 or $22 because I already held a snake. Yeah. What's in here? Little turtles! I don't think you can see them. Yes, you can.
And that.
Oh, what is this? Water monitor. Got a very long neck. It's the best I've ever gotten a picture of a koala before. Usually they're like so high up, but this one's kind of low.
I'm just trying my best to get a good face. And this is why Taylor doesn't take photos for people. So sometimes they decide to kind of come down and go for a walk.
So you basically just have to support him. You're welcome to hold him. Don't grab him at all.
Oh, right, okay.
You're welcome to
And in a little bit on the tail. So see my look. Now, when he gets that head, just your hand there. Ha! Cheese, actually.
So,
Cheese.
in this level, breathe.
I'm going to try and
Got some kangaroo food. You can feed the kangaroos. Let's go find one to feed. I don't really know what this is. It doesn't look great. It's like
You want the picture? Oh. Cute.
what is this? A mahogany glider.
Like a flying squirrel.
Oh, it looks like he's down. I have got a hot dog, but it's not just any hot dog, it's a crocodile hot dog. So, taste test it with me. It's like a lighter. John also got emu, but everyone else got crocodile, but John also got crocodile as well.
What's up, y'all? We are having German hot dogs. We have emu and crocodile.
I got a lot of bread. Which one?
Crocodile. And Theo, what do you have?
Crocodile.
Oh yeah. Let's see how it goes.
Like a turkey hot dog or a chicken hot dog. Sausage.